In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to improve code health with GitHub code quality. We'll walk through enabling code scanning with CodeQL and related tools, so your repository automatically finds and flags security and quality issues before they ship. Start by opening GitHub and signing in. From your dashboard, open the repository you want to analyze, for example, a sample project. Once you're in the repo, head to Settings. In the left sidebar, find the Security and Quality section. This is where GitHub centralizes features like Dependabout, secret scanning, and code scanning. Click Code Scanning. If it's not enabled yet, choose Enable Code Scanning. This turns on the feature at the repository level. Next, select CodeQL Analysis. CodeQL is GitHub's native static analysis engine that scans your code for security vulnerabilities and common bugs. If you also use external analyzers, choose Add any third-party code scanning tool to connect them alongside CodeQL. You can additionally enable Copilot Autofix here to generate suggested fixes when issues are found. Click Set Up to begin configuring CodeQL. For most projects, choose the option that says CodeQL will automatically find the best configuration for your repository. This detects your languages and creates a sensible workflow. If you see a highlighted notice guiding you forward, select it to continue. Click Set Up again to confirm. If you need more control, choose Advanced. Then click Set Up under Advanced to open the workflow editor. You'll see a CodeQL.yml file that defines when scans run and which queries they use. Inside the editor, locate the commented lines mentioning that you can provide custom queries or build logic. Click into the file and review those comments so you know where to add overrides later if needed. From here, the Marketplace link is handy for discovering query packs and third-party extensions that integrate with CodeQL. The documentation link provides examples, language specifics, and guidance on writing or enabling custom queries. When you're ready, click Commit Changes. Add a clear message like Add CodeQL code scanning workflow, then confirm with Commit Changes. This writes the workflow file to your repository, typically under .github/workflows codeql.ml. After committing, GitHub Actions will kick off the initial scan. You can watch progress in the Actions tab, and when results are ready, open the Security tab and view code scanning alerts. Each alert includes severity, location, and guidance to help you fix or suppress it. As you open pull requests,